So here's how to upload file in Google Form. Start off by opening Google Forms in your PC browser. You can start a new form or view your current recent forms from here. Click on Blank Form to create a new one. Once you're here, you can start editing your form by adding questions, options, and more. Add in the form title and description at the top. Then, type in a question below. After that, click on the multiple choice box beside. From here, select File Upload. Files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Click on Continue. Here, turn on Allow only specific file types and select the file types you want. For example, PDF, image, video. You can then choose the maximum number of files and file size below. Once you're done, click on the preview icon at the top. You are now in preview mode and can view how the form will look like to the respondents. They can add a file to the form by clicking on the Add File button. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily add Upload File in Google Form.